I am doing an unboxing for the Pedalbot. I forgot its name. So this is my board. Unboxing muna tayo, and then I'll do a review sa YouTube channel ko. So this is the small one. It's going to control the timeline, the Big Sky, the Tonix one, which has a controller, yung Dwarf hindi na, PBM4 MK2 pala. Ito pala to. Wow, sealed. Cool, very cool packaging, no? Much appreciated to Sir Pedalbot. Uy, free pick. At saka case pa. May case ng pick. Okay. Art picks. Cool. Candies. May ano din. Stickers. And PRS to ano to? Female na converter. Isa lang. Yeah, sige lang. Isa lang. Okay. Ito siya. Okay din. Heavy. I've had meron akong MIDI Captain before, but ayoko nun kasi malaki and hindi mo siya masyado ma-edit basta walang computer. You need a text file editor kasi sa computer. Ito, you can edit it on the board mismo. Tapos ano pa siya, same na ng LCD, diba? It's cool. So this will go here. I've already made my aux for banks. Ganyan siya. Cool. Nice. So from here, my signal is, I will have to check, no? So for my signal from the Pedalbot to the MIDI Tonix 1 MIDI controller by Greg Smith, it has a MIDI DIN in and out. Tapos papunta sa timeline, papunta naman sa Big Sky. Dito hindi ko na inano to. My amps are here, so hindi ko na to i-MIDI. This will only play my synth, my mga piano ko, mga stuff here, and yung nakanam na nano-nam na mga captures dito. So ganyan yung ko going. Nasa end yung amps. I'm using the Tonix as a distortion pedal. Yung mga Kilt, Tube Screamer, Morning Glory, yun. Tuner, volume pedal, compressor, Tonix, split. I will have to, meron pa akong coming na Flamma modulation, so stereo in, stereo out na yun. I would rather have that than the Valitone GP kasi mono in lang yun, no? Split na, pwede ko lagyan ng delay or whatever. I mean, chorus yung one side para mas ma-widen yung stereo image. Tapos delay, timeline, reverb, Big Sky, amps. So NAM profile na nano, and siya ng yun, I think it's a Fender at saka Vox and I can play ambient piano here using this synthesizer, mga strings, mga ganun. Kasi may piano din ako. Okay, thanks. Subscribe. I'll make a video of my board and the pedal boat.